Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to archive posts on Facebook. Firstly, you need to launch the application and then go for your profile section by clicking on your profile photo on your left upper side. Right after that, you need to scroll down and find for post that you wanna move it to your archive. For example, we'll go with this post. Now I need to go on the three dots icon on the right upper side and then go for move to archive, the fourth selection. Now you need to wait, and as you can see, moving post to your archive. And if I scroll down and find another post that I want to go and get it up to the archive, I will go and do it again. Now as you can see, this post is not available for doing it because this is not my post. Now on this post I will go again on move to archive, and if I go to archive, right down here you can find all posts that you have sent it to archive. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.